Hi, I'm makeup artist Kristofer and I'm here with my friend Jennifer, and today on Coco Perez I'm going to show you how to Okay. After you get your lip liner all even and you correct any mistakes with some concealer around the edge with your nylon brush, go in with your pencil and you want to fill in the outer corners of the upper and lower lip. So this creates like a three-dimensional contoured lip look. It makes the center of the mouth come forward because we're keeping it light. And when we put the lipstick color on, it's going to also reinforce that even more. Of your upper lip, and you can do that by using eyeshadow that's kind of close to your natural skin color. And smile. And you could also use a shiny pencil. By highlighting your upper lip like that with a little bit of shine, it actually it reflects light, and so it kind of punches out the upper lip area. So it's not just all about the lip, it's about the whole entire area of the mouth. If you want your lip to look even more matte, you can set it with a little bit of translucent powder. It makes it look more matte, but it also gives it incredible staying power. So basically the natural law of contrast is that darker things make things recede and look smaller, and lighter things make things look bigger. So that's why most people like a little black dress instead of a big white dress. So if you go into the burgundies and reds and bordeauxs and colors that are deep like that, you actually might be making your lips look smaller. So stick with the more pastel tones like beautiful lilacs, corals and peaches and pinks. Those will always make your lips look more full. Matte lips are really popular right now, especially with this kind of full lip look that's happening. But shine actually makes your lips look even fuller. So if you add a gloss to this effect, it makes it even look more three-dimensional and more full. And I'm going to show you that here. Just using a very fleshy lip gloss, starting in the center of the lip, this will give you a luscious, patent leather, very full-looking lip. But because it's shiny, it reflects light. And anytime you're reflecting light, you're going to make things look fuller. It's kind of like why that satin shiny dress makes you look a little heavier around the hips. Okay, so we exfoliated the skin on the lips, we moisturized it, we outlined the lip and overdrew it using a pencil that's a little bit darker than your natural lip color. We filled in with a matte lip color that is lighter than that lip liner to create a 3D contoured lip. And then we highlighted the upper bow of the lip, and then we added gloss to the center to create a 3D contoured full lip.